Hello, I am back again in my YouTube channel, Knowledge Spread by Sir Boots. And we are going to solve now the inequality 4 raised to 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 32 raised to 2x minus 3. I gave this example in my previous video. The third example in the finding the solution of inequality, exponential inequality. But I was wrong in dividing both sides by 2. It should not have been divided with 2 immediately, because there is no factor here which is 2. Instead, the factor here is 2 raised to 2x plus 7 is and also in 32 the factor is not only 2 but 2 raised to 2x minus 3. And so realizing the error, I would like to solve it now here. This problem is solved by way of the combination of exponential function or exponential function and the logarithmic function. So we separate this 4 raised to 2x times 4 raised to 7 because of the law of the exponential exponents, which is when we multiply a to raised to x times a raised to 7 is equals to a raised to 2x plus 7. So it should be like that. So as we continue, also in the other side, of the equation, we will also separate transform the 32. So we have 32 raised to 2x, and also since it is negative, so that is over 32 raised to 3. That is applying the rule of the exponents or law of the exponents, which is a raised to negative n is equals to 1 over a raised to n. So that is the law that is where this solving is based. Okay, so we divide this by 4 raised to 2x. And so if we divide here 4 raised to 2x, 4 raised to 2x, this 32 has a factor of 4 raised to 2x. So we cancel that one. What is left is 4 raised to 7 is less than or equal to, we get the 4 here from 32. What is left is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So 8 raised to 2x times over over 32 cube. So 32 cube. And we multiply this 32 cube there in 4 raised to 7. So 4 raised to 7 here times 32 cube is less than or equal to 8 raised to 2x. So it's better to okay. So now we will use the commutative property. So we have 8 raised to 2x is greater than or equal to 4 raised to 7 times 32 raised cube. Now we will divide this by the exponent by 2 so that we can cancel 2. So we have 8 raised to 2x divided by 2. 8 raised to 2x divided by 2. And is greater than or equal to since we divide the exponent by 1/2, that means we enclose the radicand. This will become a radicand, and this will be 4 raised to 7 times 32 raised to cube. So we also have this divide by the exponent by 2. Okay, so what remains is 8 raised to x. 8 raised to x is greater than or equal to 4 raised to 7 times 32 raised to cube raised to 32 cube, that is raised to 1/2. Now we will use the logarithms. Log 8 raised to x is greater than or equal to log 4 raised to 7 times 32 cube raised to 1/2. And so we have x log 8 is greater than or equal to 1/2 log 4 1/2 log 4 raised to 7 times 32 cube. So let us divide both sides by log 8. Divided by log 8. And also in the other side we divide it by log 8. So the answer is, it's already done. It's almost done. So by by calculator, we can get the value of x as, you cancel this log 8. So, x is equal to, ano, x so x is equals to, x is greater than or equal to 4.83. Okay, this one outside represents or not, means that this is non-terminating decimal. So in other words, the solution is since it is x greater than or equal to 4.83, therefore the solution is 4.83 included to positive infinity. So this is how to solve this problem, and I am asking for your understanding of the first solution which I gave, and lately I realized that I mistakenly solved this by readily dividing this by dividing 16 by 2, so that at the back of my mind 32, when you divide that by 2, that becomes 16, and you can already get base which are equal, and it's easy for us to compute, but that's an error. So to solve this, you apply exponential function and logarithmic function. Thank you very much.